Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over my roulette strategy. I call it the gambler's fallacy, and it works just like the gambler's fallacy, where you're just supposed to bet over and over and over again. Now I'm going to switch down this. I'm going to do it to 5. Now if you only had like 100 or something bucks, you just want to use like $1. And, some days you might blow your account, and other days you might just make a lot of money. It really all just depends. Now, the point of it is you just pick one color, and that's really the color you want to stick with. So you stick with the color. And so I got that. So I just made $5. Now this would be like for someone, who goes to the casino a lot. Oh, I didn't need all that. So then I just made that. So I'm going to stay with 5. 5 is going to be my lowest bet for right now. So see, now that I lost, I'm just going to double up. Now, I lost again, so I'm going to double up again. Now my bet's at 20. And now let's try again. 40. And then boom. See, now I got all my money back plus $5. So I made $5 on that. And then I just be betting 5 again. And if you're at a casino, you'd probably want to do this until you got like about $100, and then or you could do it longer, but you would have to be careful. Eventually, there is a certain point where you can lose, because doubling up your money happens really fast. But a big thing you could do is just only if you're actually in a casino, to only go for ones that have already been played a couple times. Like you wait, like you'd be like, oh, red's been played 3 times. I better start playing on black, or black's been played however many times. I better start playing on red. But this is like just the general gist of it. So you could just make money just sitting there doing roulette all day long. But if you win it big playing roulette using my strategy, definitely make sure to help me out. But that's like the general point of it. And you just keep on going up and up and up. I made like $100 playing this for just a little bit of time earlier. I started off at 2,000. Well, I started off at 30,000, but the app makes you spend 100 at first time, and I already made that 100 back in like 10 minutes. So it's pretty easy. But if make sure to check out my description, because I have plenty of more cool stuff, and I'm gonna be coming out with some more strategies for gambling. And there's a gambling app in the description that works in the USA for poker and sports betting. So make sure to check that out. All right, y'all have a great